remaining. 10 to shoot. Flores to may kanan. Fading away. It's good! Lorenzana. Binigay kay Flores. Jumper for the tie. We are tied at 53. And now Parita again running the floor. Bigay sa kanan. Flores. The finish. 1 minute remaining. Nakaliwa, Flores on the move, jumper, it's good. Smooth play coming from Flores and he go. Ryan Flores on the open court and Flores will take it all home. This is the shot right there. The other end, Flores naman, left hand. The other end, Flores naman, left hand layup is good. Flores at 1,000 points now.